Bruce, what is happening?
Bruce, Diana told us about had dreams.
Netflix's Justice League 2 first trailer, Snyderverse Restored, Zack Snyder and Darkseid movie full story explain is a fan-made concept video that imagines what a sequel to Zack Snyder's Justice League would look like. 12. The video is not an official trailer or announcement from Netflix or Warner Brothers. According to Zack Snyder, the director of Justice League, he had a plan for a trilogy of Justice League movies that would have covered the team's entire war with Darkseid, the Lord of the Planet Apocalypse 3. However, after the release of Justice League in 2017, which was heavily altered by another director and studio interference, Snyder left the project and his vision was abandoned. In 2021, after a fan campaign, Snyder was able to release his original version of Justice League on HBO Max, which was 4 hours long and included many scenes and characters that were cut from the theatrical version. Snyder has revealed some details about what his Justice League 2 and 3 would have been in interviews and storyboards. The plot would have involved Darkseid killing Lois Lane, Superman's love interest, and using the anti-life equation, a magical spell that can control the minds of people, to turn Superman evil. 4. The world would become a post-apocalyptic wasteland where most of the heroes are dead or enslaved. Batman would lead a resistance group consisting of Cyborg, Flash, Joker, Deathstroke, and Mera to try to stop Darkseid and save Superman. 4. The story would have involved time travel, alternate realities, and a final battle between Darkseid and the Justice League. However, as of now, there is no official confirmation that Justice League 2 or 3 will ever be made or released. Snyder has said that he is not involved in any future DC projects and that his version of Justice League is the end of his story arc. 3. Warner Brothers has also stated that they have no plans to continue the Snyderverse and that they are focusing on other DC films and shows. 3. Therefore, Netflix's Justice League 2 first trailer, Snyderverse Restored, Zack Snyder and Darkseid movie full story explain is just a speculative fan creation and not a real movie.